before we move into magic, I just want to know what you guys feel about magic. So could you guys just tell me what you think about magic, or maybe something? Anyone?
What
Would you
I think
guys?
is like based on illusions.
Yeah, that is the trick segment, right? But what do you feel when you see magic? Is there something that you want to add, like something unique, maybe
I'm
anything?
only getting definitions in my mind.
Okay, okay. Like, we all know that magic is something like art of deception, right? And we're always trying to crack it. So there is no other way to it, right? So, okay. So enough talking. We'll just try out something here. I have some stuff lying around, maybe. What about coins? Do you guys like coins? Okay. So let's see. I just have few coins lying around. Okay, cool. And Shivani, just unmute yourself. You guys can see the coins, right?
Yeah, I can
Yeah.
see.
Okay. Shivani, just say stop anywhere.
Stop.
Here. Okay. So we pick one coin that is 2 rupees. You can see it. Cool. Just place this coin here. And let's say we'll take this Chinese one because this seems little unique. I'll just take this rest of the coin and I'll set it apart. Okay. So we have a Chinese and a 2 rupees, right? So Sanskruti, can you select anyone? This one or this one?
The
Yeah,
Chinese
anyone?
one.
The Chinese one. Okay. Now this is cool, right? Now watch what. I just take this Chinese. I'll do it slowly. Chinese. Chinese goes in left hand, and I take these 2 rupees in my right hand, right? So watch. Chinese, and this is the 2 rupees. Watch out. Don't blink. I just go like this. Slowly, if I move, just see 2 coins here, and this just goes blank. Check.
How
So
did that
now,
happen?
Okay,
yeah,
that's really
actually,
amazing.
you are not watching it properly, so I really want your full attention. Okay, now watch. One more time. There's Chinese and there's 2 rupees. Cool. Watch. This time I'll take this Chinese. I'll do it slowly. Watch carefully. I go inside. This time I have to concentrate because if I just do this, watch, 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 and you can just see it's just into a tiny ring that you can just wear, and I can just toss it out. You can see that, right? You can use it as a ring also. You guys can see that, right? You see it, and it just goes from here, and you can just hold it. There it is. Okay, so this is the first part of the
Wow.
website. Let's try something else. Huh? Thank you, thank you. Okay, let's try something else. Mm, okay, so now I'm just left with this coin that is 2 rupees. I just thought of trying something with it. So now this 2 rupees actually looks like any other 2 rupees, right? This is very, I mean, normal. So maybe Sanskruti, can you tell me any two-digit number so make it unique?
31.
31. Okay, cool. 31. Okay, and I just put S for you, and that's R. It's cool. By the way, I have my ring on. It never leaves me. Anyway, so you can see 31, right?
Yeah.
Now this number is unique. There is no way I can know this is your number, right? Okay, what's this? I take this. Watch carefully. I just place it here. I go up, and I'll just roll up my sleeve slowly. Now, let me ask you something. What is the most important thing for us to, I mean, stay alive in this world or to sustain our life? What is the most important thing you feel? Anyone can
Food.
reply. Food. Okay, you got food. Shivani, what do you think was the most important thing for us to stay alive? Yeah, food is good. What else?
Oxygen.
Oxygen. Oxygen, right? Okay.
Yeah,
So food.
oxygen.
Now the passion verse. Your name is
Yashashvi.
I forgot your name. Okay,
Yashashvi.
okay, cool. What do you think was the most important thing?
Oxygen, food, water.
Water, right? Okay, cool.
Water.
So we have oxygen, we have food, we have water. Now every day we take food, but air we can't see air. But I do hold water here. So I'm gonna try something with this coin and water, okay? But I must tell you, don't take your eyes off this coin, okay? What? Just take the water here. This is the coin. Now watch. Just take this. Make sure I can show you it clearly. Okay, it's the water. Is the coin. Watch. One, two. Hup. Slowly. Can you see something here? Wait. Just make sure it looks like a coin to you.
Yes.
Ah, there is a coin, right?
Oh my God.
Now you have to confirm that this is your coin, right? Because it could be any other coin. So slowly, make sure you watch it carefully. I just uncap it very slowly. Watch for it. Oh, this actually is some tea, so that's why it's red. Nothing else, okay? Okay, you can see the coin, right? You can see it. Okay, I just dry it a little bit. Now, Sanskruti, what was the number that you selected?
31.
This was the number, right? And
Yeah.
then we had R. So yeah, you confirm this is your coin, right?
Yeah.
So this way you can just transport coin in a bottle.
Can you transport money into my account, please?
Yeah, I'm trying on that. I'll do that soon. Don't worry. Okay, so do you guys like that?
I loved it.
We
Thank
really
you
liked
so
it a
much.
lot.
It was amazing. It was
Thank you.
awesome.
Wow.
Seriously.
Actually, today I thought I will not be using because most of you have seen card magic, right? Because that's the most, I mean, normal thing you see. So I just thought I will do something else. Okay, so yeah, guys, that's it. I hope you like it.
Okay,
Cool.
can we request a card magic too?
Card magic. Okay, let me try this. I am not sure. Actually, I don't have much card here because right now I'm at home. I'll try to do something with you. Let me see if I can get this. I'm not sure, but I'll try. Okay. I think I have only one card over. Okay, I got it. Let me see 1 second. Yeah, I have only one card with me now. I don't know what I'll do with it, but I'll try. Let me paste it here. Okay, so when we don't have card, but we do have the most important thing, that's the imagination, right? So just think I am holding a deck of playing cards. I'm just taking out a deck of invisible playing cards. Now these are invisible, you can't see them, but they are there, just trust me. I take them out, right? Now I have here black and red. So who is familiar with playing cards? All of you?
Okay.
Yeah, somewhat familiar. Somewhat familiar.
You know, right? So there are black and red cards. So which one you would like me to place on table, black or red?
A black one?
Black or red? Which one you want me to put it apart? Black or red?
You can go with the black one.
Black. Okay, I'm not seeing you, sorry. Black one. Okay, I just put apart the black one, so I'm holding the red ones, right? And in the red we have the diamond and the hearts. Cool. So this one goes for Shivani. Shivani, we have diamond and we have heart. Which one you want me to spread? Diamond or heart?
Heart.
Heart. You want me to put about the heart, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So the heart also I spread it, I put it apart in the table. So now I'm holding the diamonds. Okay. So in diamonds we have 13 cards from ace of diamond to king of diamond, right? Now you tell me from 1 to 6 or 6 to king. 1 to 6 or 6 to king.
Well, the first one. The first one. The first one.
Okay,
Yeah.
1 to 6. Okay, no.
Yeah.
1 to 6 I placed it on the table. Now I'm holding from 7 to king, right? So I have 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So just name couple of cards to me. From 7 to king, just name couple of cards.
8,
8,
10.
8, 10, quickly.
Queen and ace.
No, 8 is gone. We are from 7 to king.
No. Okay. 8, 9, 10, and queen.
8, 9, 10, queen. Okay.
Yeah.
8, 9, 10, queen also I place it here. So I'm holding now 7, jack and a king, right? 3 cards. 7, jack and king. Okay, this one goes for Sanskruti. 7, jack and king. Anyone? 7, jack and king. Anyone?
King, I guess.
So you guess king. Okay, you want king? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, king also we place it apart. Now last anyone can decide. This is 7 and this is jack. Anyone? 7 or jack?
Jack one.
Jack,
Seven.
are you sure you want to keep up about this
Seven.
jack? Are you sure?
I'm just guessing it.
Okay, you're just guessing. Okay, not an issue. Jack. Okay, I also placed the jack apart. So like now, we have removed all of the unnecessary cards, and you guys helped me to do it, right? There was no influence from me, and I don't know what card will be left behind. So what was the card here? It was the 7 of diamond, right?
Yeah.
Now I told you I'm at home and I don't have entire deck, but I do hold a card here that's in the marker, and I just place it here with the imagination. Do you think this card could be the 7 of diamonds?
Well, that we are
It's not
excited to see.
possible. No, don't say it's not possible, but you
It
guessed
is
it
possible.
right.
Wow.
So this is the 7 of diamonds.
Amazing.
Thank you. Okay, so you want to see one more? Maybe one
We would
last
love
one?
to.
Okay. Okay, this is the last one. Let me try something different. So I have a plain sheet of paper here. Make sure you guys can see it. Oh, just give me a second. Just turn onto my camera. Okay. Cool. We'll try something. Now, why we took this sheet of paper is that you can see my shadows, okay? So watch. I'm just gonna remove my glasses, okay? And maybe you just maybe just clean it a little bit. Okay. Watch. I have to stand for this. You guys can see my shadow, right?
Yes.
What? What's the shadow? Up? Watch. It's like a dance, okay? What? Just bring the shadow in. I just hold the shadow slowly, and I'll try to lift the glass with it. Okay, what? Come on. Wait, let me try this. Okay, watch it up. Slowly, 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 and oh, and then you can just wear it back like this.
God.
That's
Okay,
like that.
that was amazing.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Can you also pick up remotes and all without moving? That would be so convenient.
Yeah, actually, that's a very good idea. Actually, I'm actually working on a project so that we can just, I mean, move things from this distance. So I'm working on that, and that will soon become a reality. So thank you so much for your suggestion.
That was amazing, by the way.
Yeah, thank you so much.
So yeah, Rick, it was amazing to see these. I mean the magic and all. And we are glad that
Actually,
you listen.
also, I'm performing like after 6 or 7 months. So it's really good to see some faces, and I really enjoy this event.
And we actually are thankful that you took our request and did a cards show also, that even when you didn't have your cards, and that last one was really amazing. So yeah, now we can, I think so, move forward with our some question answers round. But first of all, we
Okay.
would like to know more about you, like from where are you, and your city, your, if you are doing a college or some degree, and when you got
So
into
is
magic.
this
Like this is
something on
something
the
very unique.
Q&A or this is just our like conversation? Like,
Yeah, nee, we'll start the game thing, but just a little bit about you we want to know.
yeah. So yeah, my name is it's Ricky Sunar in total, like full name. But I used
Okay.
to I like Rick Sunar. So I actually belong from Assam, Silchar, and I'm just doing magic for the past 11 years. So
Wow.
earlierly I learned magic from YouTube and all because I don't know, at my place also or in India, like in previous times there was only stage magic where they take these boxes and all. So now it's good, but the image of magic was not that entertaining, or it was like captive, you know, captive vision or something. So I just thought of bringing a little bit of entertainment and enjoyment with it. So yeah, I don't know, just trying to make it better. And apart from it, I'm just studying. Oh, so yeah, first thing I want to mention, like before I didn't like magic. I was a complete student of physics. I like physics. I wanted to become an astronaut. I like NASA so much. So like whenever I used to go to tuition, I used to visit their web page, NASA web page. But unfortunately, like in my HS, I got failed in math, so I couldn't pursue my career as an engineer. So like I think the creative part in magic is really big. And since I'm working with like little bit, I mean, I don't know, it's like secretive things, it's like a scientist can imagine or dream of things. So it's like there's a lot of room and there's no one to judge, and you don't need any kind of paper or certificate to get into. So I think these are the things that actually really attracted me to magic. And yeah, and it also has the entertainment value. So yeah, these are the things.
This is
So yeah,
something
you guys can
unique.
tell me a little bit about yourself. Uh,
Like if we say about from our page, so this is something unique. When we started this artistic page, so we mostly thought of like dance or acting or maybe music. But when we got to know about you, we get a new dimension, that okay, there is something with magic, and that is something more artistic. Okay, like it is unique. So we are so
yeah,
glad that we got a magician to our show.
okay. So like what you guys are doing, you guys are studying or like your passion or something, yeah.
Yeah, we all are students here, and like we all can start. If I start from myself, so I'm a psychology student, second year, Bhopal,
Thank
and I
you.
would like to ask everyone else if they can give a short intro.
Yeah, sure, man.
Dua, can you start?
So my
Go
name
ahead.
is Dua Chaube and I'm
Okay,
in 11th.
11.
And yes,
Shivani, next you.
Okay, so my name is Shivani Ellen Barwa. I am a psychology student too, just like Yashashvi. I'm in first year right now. At first,
First.
initially, I thought of pursuing like commerce and finance and marketing
Mhm.
basically. But then I wasn't like happy with it, so I took a drop, and now I am pursuing like psychology. Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
yeah,
it from
it's
my side.
Sanskriti, next you.
cool, cool. Yeah, okay.
Hi, my name is Sanskriti Rajput and I'm from Zibalpur. I'm doing my second year from obviously जबलपुर पर मुझे बाहर जाने की बिल्कुल मन नहीं किया. So I'm doing B economics, and if I get a chance, so I would definitely go in comedy or acting because I'm a little good at it.
Prachi, next to you.
Okay, if I'd like to give my introduction, then I am in third years, computer science engineering, and writing is my passion. If I would like to go with I would like to choose my profession because for me coding is love actually.
Coding, yeah. I saw in WhatsApp someone is coding here. Yeah, I like that coding. Yeah, good job.
Yeah, I do.
Next to you, Shubhra.
Hello there. Hello.
Hi,
First of
hi,
all,
hi.
I'm very thankful you gave me chance here, and I'm
you.
really loved your magic.
Thank you.
It was really amazing. I was
Thank you.
like, wow. Especially the coin magic you did with the
Thank you.
bottle.
Thank you.
I have completed my post graduation in English literature, and I am also love writing. I also
Okay.
really love writing, and I'm going with the flow.
Yeah,
Thank
I
you.
go to support. Great.
Amazing. So, Sanskriti, can we start with some questions from you?
Okay.
And I think so, Shubhra, you have also prepared some, right? So I think so Sanskriti is facing some issue. You can proceed.
Okay.
I will play a song, and you need to guess it. Okay, the name and the singer also, if you can.
This is Bollywood or what? Like I'm not good at this thing because my memory is really weak here. But I will try. Okay. Okay, you'll see you sing.
Let's try then. This game will become more interesting if you don't know about it.
Okay, start
Okay.
karo?
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm listening. Okay, you'll play it. Okay. Oh.
So
Okay,
which
so
song is this?
yeah, like I kind of I mean remember the lyrics a little bit, but I don't know who sang it. Because there are only a couple of singers in my mind. I think it could be Mohit Chauhan and I know
Ranveer
it's a
Kapoor is
band.
staring.
You can just tell
What?
the name of the song or even movie would go.
It will be
I
better.
don't know. I don't watch a lot of movies, and the song I don't know the name of the song either.
Actor,
So I'm
actress,
sorry.
do you remember anything?
No, yeah, I don't remember
Okay,
anything.
no
Yeah.
problem at all. Shubhra, you
I
can
know all of
tell
these.
about it now.
इलाही मेरा दिल आए, इलाही मेरा जी आए song है. बहुत
Yeah,
famous
yeah,
है.
yeah. Okay, I'm sorry. Yeah.
No problem. Next song.
Okay, next. Okay, there are only songs or what? I am not really good at those. Yeah. Now this is going to be difficult, I think.
Okay, so we have one more thing planned. Sanskriti,
Mm-hmm.
are you here?
Yeah, bro.
Yes.
So
You
yeah,
sure,
please
yeah.
go ahead with your questions.
Okay, so I'm here to play with you. Would you rather? So
I'm
you
not
are it.
seeing.
I'll give. Am I visible now?
Oh, yeah, you're visible. Yeah. I thought you
Yeah.
got vanished. Oh.
No. So we'll play Would You Rather. I'll give you two options. You gotta select one, okay? And you gotta tell us why you chose it.
Now, I didn't understand. Can you just slow it down? Because I really don't play this kind of game. What is would or rather like? What I have to do?
Okay,
Would
so
you rather?
wait, I'll explain. So
Ah,
Sanskriti
yeah.
is going to ask you a question, okay? In that, two options will be there. Like a situation will be there, and attached with it, two options will be there, and you have to choose any one option. And whatever you choose, you have to give us a reason that why you chose that. Okay?
Okay, okay.
Clear? Yeah. Sanskriti, please proceed.
Okay, so my first question is, would you rather stop using Instagram or start using TikTok?
What you said? Would you stop using Instagram or start?
Or start using TikTok?
No. I would not use. No, I would not use TikTok because now you'd ask why, right? I have to reply why.
Okay, nice. So my second question is, would you read a book or rather watch the movie version of the book?
Yeah, I would go with the movie version of the movie. It will save the time also, I think.
Oh, okay, nice.
Thanks.
Okay, so would you rather date Alia Bhatt or do a movie with Karan Johar?
What? Obviously, I'm not gonna do a movie with Karan Johar, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm fine with Alia. Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's nice. Why Alia? Why not any other actress?
No, but you only gave me the option of Alia, right?
Okay. If you had other options, whom would you choose?
When I was child, I really liked Preeti Zinta because one of my crush, her name also was like with Preeti, so Preeti Zinta would be the name.
Okay, that's nice. Yeah, I'm done with my questions. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, so thank you so much for your time, Rick. And we hope we get to see more of your magic someday,
Yeah,
soon.
sure.
Okay, so we'll definitely plan more sessions with you. And thank you so much. If you have anything to say or ask, you can definitely move forward.
No, it's been really wonderful. I really appreciate all of your time. Thank you so much for watching. And yeah, so I do have a YouTube page. So I'll just send it to you. Can you just share among them so you guys can subscribe and maybe get to see my future work.
Yeah, definitely. Even I personally have seen your YouTube page, and it's amazing. Like apart from magic, he also posts videos with magic. A motivational kind of a story, and
Yeah,
that
yeah,
some
yeah.
magic is there. So
That's
that
my
is something
intention,
which
yes,
I
yes.
really like, the unique concept. Like it's not just a plain magic, but something attached, a story attached with it.
Mhm.
So definitely we'll share it to others too. And yeah, it was amazing. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much, guys.
Okay,
So
so we may
it's really
now
wonderful.
end. We may
Yeah,
end
yeah.
the meeting
We'll
right
soon,
now.
connect again. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye, everyone.